Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open this lid and at the bottom near to the USB-C port we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashed white 3 times. So let me press and hold. First it starts blinking because it's entered to pairing mode. You just keep holding these earbuds. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your fingers. And then we need to remove and add these earbuds from your phone into your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android you need to click Pair New Device at the top. And if you have iOS, you can or turn off, turn on the Bluetooth or just return and go back. And these earbuds after factory reset enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!